everyone, my name is Liviani. I'm from Indonesia and is currently studying Bachelor of Law and Bachelor of Commerce in the University of Adelaide. Today, I'm going to show you what a typical day of studying in Adelaide looks like. So come and follow me! I love Adelaide. It's a great city. It's safe, fun, people are friendly, and it's really easy to go around. I would normally walk everywhere, but transport within the city centre is free, so you can hop on to any bus at any time.
I have been in Adelaide for 3 years now. When I first arrived, it was all very overwhelming. I studied the Foundation Studies course at the college, which really prepared me for the transition to university. I met lots of friends who I'm still in contact with now, and all the staff were really supportive. I love coming back to the college. It helped me so much, and I love that I now have the opportunity to give back. There's a great sense of community here, with fun activities and events that all the students love to get involved in. I came here to get my degree, which means I do need to study. But studying with friends makes it a little more bearable. And well, this old library is pretty cool too. During the week, I study in the evening, but on weekends, there's always lots to do. My friends and I go out, and one of our favorite places in Adelaide is Peel Street. There's a lot going on. So that was a typical day of my life in Adelaide. Hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you all here soon. Bye!